This is the second session of Past Simple, the course online. In the second part, we're going to check the verbs, the regular verbs, and the irregular verbs. We're going to start off with the regular verbs. Even though they are easy to understand, they're complicated in somehow how to pronounce them. We're going to begin with the first rule. When do we include the? There are certain verbs that you have to include only the D, such as liked, loved, agreed, compared, divided. The second rule of the regular verbs are those verbs which you're going to include ed, such as destroyed, drained, bombed, floated, printed. There is a third rule in which you're going to include only the I, E, D. This is different. You have to take into account that the verb has to be regular, but before the Y, it has to have a consonant, like study. It has a D. So the following thing that you have to do is to drop the Y or eliminate the Y and include I, E, D. Another example is cried. It finishes in Y, but before that we have an R. So in this case, you're going to do the same. You're going to drop the Y and you're going to include I, E, D. We have another word that finishes in Y, satisfied, but in the past would be satisfied. Worry, worried. Carry, carried. This rule, it is so important because you have to double the consonant and then after that include an AD. What's the rule to apply this? It has to be a one syllable verb, like stop. But before, we have to check that it has consonant, vowel, consonant, and include P, E, D. Again, one syllable adverb like jog. It has consonant, vowel, consonant. You double the consonant G, E, D. Again, drag, one syllable verb R, A, G. You double the G, E, D. Drop, dropped. Flap, flapped. There is a difference when pronouncing the regular verbs. All the verb that finishes in T, you have to pronounce the whole verb, though at the end you have to pronounce it with D at the end. For example, accept, accepted. Want, wanted. Appreciate, appreciated. Collect, collected. As you can see, all the verbs finished in T. So that is important. Whenever a verb finishes in T, you have to pronounce the complete verb. What happens with D? It is the same rule. And again, we have to pronounce ID at the end. For example, we have pretend, pretended, need, needed. decided, afforded. However, if the verb doesn't finish in T or in D, the rest of the verbs are going to pronounce or are going to be pronounced with T or D at the end. Burned, called, damaged, employed, loved, kissed, offered, robbed. As you can see, all of them do not finish nor in T or D. But at the end, you have to pronounce only the T or the D, whereas the other ones should be pronounced completely. Skipped, topped. That was it for regular verbs. Now let's carry on with irregular verbs. Irregular verbs starts with its infinitive, do, but what happens to the root of the verb? It changes. Do, did, present, write, wrote, have, had, fight, fought, cut, cut. So there isn't a rule, so you can learn them. We can divide these verbs in different categories, though the most important or suggestions that I can give you, it is that you should study them. So before we finish, here I leave a quick exercise so you can put the verb into its corresponding column. So this is it for today. I hope you enjoy it. So see you in the following session.